Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, it's me Sri Puja Astuti. I come from English Literature Department 6C, Adab and Humanities Faculty, the State Islamic University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. Honorable to Mr. Mislan MPD as lecturer seminar proposal language and literature. Uh, well, directly, I will going to present my thesis proposal. The title is The Analyzed Main Characters Hamid and Zainab in the novel Work Buya Hamka di bawah naungan Ka'bah. And the first slide is introduction. In this background of the problem, in ancient ever human being in the age and every place to do literary activities. Therefore, literature is the oldest of human life. Literature was present as a medium of expression, aesthetic as experience, human being pass with nature as the incarnation of beauty. And next slide is Hamid is young Muslim living in Sumatra. 2 years after his father died, the 6 years Hamid and his mother moved in with Haji Ja'far and his wife Asia, members of the Minang nobility. There Hamid finds playmates in the couple's daughters Zainab. They are raised as brother and sister, and Ja'far pays for Hamid education. uh, Formulation of the problem. Uh, First, how is the main character Hamid and Zainab in the novel Di Bawah Naungan Ka'bah? And two, what happened between his love for Hamid and Zainab in the novel Di Bawah Naungan Ka'bah? And next slide is limitation of the problem. In this research, the author only focus on Hamid figures, mm, on and how Hamid characters in the novel Di Bawah Naungan Ka'bah. And purpose of the research. The purpose of the research I have two. One is to find that we know the figure of the Hamid itself, to know how the figure of the Hamid in this eyes Zainab. And two, theoretical framework. In this my thesis proposal, I I use the psychological approach, and like is the the biological aspect, the ego, the psychological aspect, the super ego, the sociological aspect. And next slide is chapter 3, method of the research. Design of research. uh, in my thesis proposal in this research, the research will answer the quotation that had formulated in chapter 1. Based on those aspects, the research has used qualitative research. Riset kualitatif merupakan kajian berbagai studi dan kumpulan berbagai jenis materi empiris seperti studi kasus, pengalaman personal, pengakuan introspektif, kisah hidup, wawancara, artefak, berbagai teks, produksi kultural, dan pengamatan sejarah, interaksional, dan berbagai teks visual sebagainya. And next, short of data. One, primary data. In this research, the research will find the data from Brokeback Mountain movie, to make easier to analyze data on movie. And next, secondary sort of data. The secondary source of data are books and article, and the novel. Primary source usually written by and for other research. And next is technique of the data collected. The data had collected in this qualitative research looks like text in the screenplay of Brokeback Mountain movie. Moreover, this movie in video from Break also adding his explanation. And the technique of the data analysis. Literature psychology has two targets of research. First one is character psychology, and the second one is author creativity in this literature work. And and the technique of data analysis is have 3 points, and the first step 3 point or 3 step, and the first step is psychological research in the literature work concern to an intrinsic of literature work, uh, and the second step is this step the research has to concern about the themes of literature work. Character analysis must be focused on characters behavior, but not only concern toward main characters. And last step is finally, after the research found the characterization of main character and supporting character that support characterization of main characters. Uh, in this step had to be corrected to plot of story in literature work. Uh, that's all from me, and I'm sorry for my mistake. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.